Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with HP Beginner Guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your HP device meets the system requirements for the AI tools you plan to use. Next, visit the official HP website or the specific AI tools website to download the software. Follow the instructions provided on the website to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software on your HP device. After installation, open the AI tool to start the setup process. You may need to create an account or log in, depending on the AI tool used. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tool's user interface. Check for any available updates after installing the software. Download and install any updates to ensure you have the latest features. Next, explore the configuration settings within the tool. Adjust the settings to match your preferences and required performance levels. These resources can help you understand the functionalities and features available. Now, begin testing the AI tool with sample data or projects. Monitor the performance and results to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQ section or support forums for assistance. Once you are comfortable using the AI tool, consider integrating it into your daily workflow. Regularly assess its performance and be open to exploring additional features as needed. Congratulations, you're now equipped to deploy AI tools with HP effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.